Oh, they're both fucking trout.
Double hookup on trout. I don't know why I wasn't recording that.
Oh,
Double hookup on trout.
damn,
Dude, that's crazy. On the same fucking 2 poles. What the fuck?
So that's what's been buying the shit.
Yeah, that's
They're
what's...
like brand new. They've been stocking this shit. They
What the
stocked this
fuck?
river, dude. These
That
are
was
like
crazy.
fucking
They
little
both hooked
babies.
themselves too.
Oh,
What the hell?
dude, what the fuck?
Let me see your fishing.
This one's fucking little baby, dude.
Little baby.
Yeah.
Dude, I should have been recording that whole time. Let me see. Show the camera quick.
If this thing would fucking chill the fuck out. Little baby trout.
Yep.
Tiny little guy.
Damn, that's fucking crazy.